Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across a command line error that says ping transmit failed general failure. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And into the command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Once you've done that, you can close out of here. Attempt to run the command again and see if that resolves the problem. Something else you can try here as well would be to open up the start menu. Type in network reset. Best match should come back with network reset listed right above system settings. Go ahead and left click on that. So before you click the reset now button, you want to go ahead and make sure you have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby, because once you restart your computer after selecting reset now, you're going to have to enter back in your Wi-Fi credentials, and you're also going to have to sign out of your computer within 5 minutes or your system's going to automatically restart. So anyway, network reset, this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the reset now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. And now, like I said, you're going to be signed out within 5 minutes. So go ahead and just restart your computer. And there you go, guys. You might get a network prompt asking if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs. You can go ahead and select yes, depending obviously on your preferred setting. I usually select no, but again, that's for a different tutorial. That's a different topic altogether, so I have no comment on that. So again, that's for your own personal settings if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs. You have shared printers, folders, that kind of thing. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Hopefully at this point you shouldn't be getting that message anymore. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.